Hi everyone! Hooray! We are going to harvest our carrots today. We planted them between mid-April. Now it's mid-August. It took us only 4 months to get such wonderful carrots. It always is very interesting when we harvest them. We explore many shapes like tiny ones, robot human shapes, carrots, and big ones. It will be fun when we take them out. Hope you too will enjoy and try to plant at your house so you can eat healthy vegetables. I would like to share some benefits about carrots. The fiber in carrots can help to keep blood sugar levels under control. They are very much loaded with vitamin A. It strengthens your bones. Carrots have calcium and vitamin K, both of which are very important for your bone health. I hope you enjoyed our harvest video. Please like, share and subscribe Shri Stars. Oh yes, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you. Bye.